Bitcoin bonuses, consumer payments, incentives, and rewards. With Dr. Alina Kornienko, Quppy.
Welcome everyone to Belgrade. It's a pleasure to meet you all. So today I will be speaking about Bitcoin bonuses and especially about Bitcoin payments. And we all know that today there are over 220 million people owning and using cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin. And today cryptocurrencies have surpassed their primary usage, and they're more and more used in terms of everyday life payments and purchases. And today even hedge funds have turned over crypto at around 52% over the last year. And in terms of e-commerce, since 2020, payment preferences continue to shift from cash and credit cards towards digital wallets and the BNPL solutions. This is related, of course, to the pandemic situation all around the world, to business closures, to sanitary regulations. But on the other hand, people today are not that interested in credit fees, and they turn towards alternative payment methods and also towards the credit-free BNPL solutions that are somehow offered by blockchain technologies and other alternative payment solutions. And POS acquiring is, of course, rebounding after the COVID impact, which is faster than it was expected. And on the other hand, mobile wallet usage is increasing as contactless POS terminals integrate into the everyday life. And of course, the BNPL solutions gain more and more percentage in the e-commerce transaction value globally. And so today exist some of the solutions for accepting digital currencies online and offline. But what merchants say is, on the one hand, they offer only Bitcoins, which is not the case. We at Quppy, we're operating since 2017, and we bring together alternative payments with cryptos, traditional currencies, and we've made a research, and people, not all of them, are interested paying in Bitcoin, but for example, they're interested paying in USDT. These solutions do not exist that much on the market. On the other hand, what we have as a problem, these are the FX risks that should be taken either by the merchant who accepts crypto payments or by the customer, which is also not that comfortable for people. So, as I've said, we at Quppy, we operate since 2017. We've been first operating for B2Cs, especially offering this bridge between traditional and digital currencies. And we've decided to make something unique for both merchants on the one hand, e-merchants, traditional merchants, and on the other hand for our customers. So what we decided to do, first thing is that we've built, having looked at all the solutions we have today on the market, like BitPay and some others, and we've created our own e-commerce acquiring for cryptos. So on the one hand, what our merchant gets, they get a traditional service account in euros, British pounds, US dollars, and on the other hand, they get the white label or the integrated solution to accept payments in cryptos. No FX risks are taken either by the merchant or by the customer. And we offer exchanges, so our merchant can keep both crypto and fiat on their service accounts, which is absolutely great. The integration is very simple. And we offer also different cryptocurrencies to accept payments with. So this is related to the research that I've exposed, we've taken, and we see that because of the race, because of the market changes, people today believe, which is interesting, that USDT is somehow more stable and more interesting to pay with in everyday life. On the other hand, another very interesting solution, which is extremely unique on the market today, we have integrated with a company, a payment solution that operates today in Germany and Switzerland and in Austria, which is called Blue Code. So it is not the QR code payments, but the barcodes that you have in the shop. So Blue Code operates for simple customers who have their application. They go to the shop and, wow, they finally get my presentation. Blue Code it's a payment application that is connected to the bank account. People in these regions that I've said, Austria, Germany, Switzerland, they come to local shops, simple consumer shops like Lidl, like Douglas, and some others to buy some tech solutions and other things. They just come, they show on where they pay, they show the barcode, which is unique in their application, and the person scans, and they get the instant payment. So we have that's the Blue Code. So we have integrated with them, and now we're the only ones to offer the payment with Blue Code in crypto. They're also instant. They're directly credited from the account, and people do not need to download extra applications to make the exchanges. They just need to have the balance on their account, crypto or fiat. So to conclude, as we work, as I've said, for a long time on this market, we do believe that the crypto payments will be rising and rising over the next 2 or 3 years, especially in the APAC region and in North America, but also in Europe. As we say, we're working a lot with Blue Code. We will be integrating some other new solutions, and this would be rising and rising. So it's a very emerging market, which is very interesting to enter too. Just one more important thing: why Blue Code? Actually, the barcodes are much cheaper for the merchant, because they already have the machines to scan in supermarkets and in other retail points. Because the QR code payments, why they're not that adopted? It's related to the thing that retailers have to buy another machine for QR code scanning. They're expensive, of course, and that is why this integration, according to our research, is becoming quite slow. So that is why we've started our integration with the Blue Code, because we believe that this penetration is much faster and much simpler for both merchant and for the user. So thank you. We're around here at the expo. We offer not only blockchain payments, but also some traditional things, as I've said, service accounts, some safeguard accounts very soon. We work with gambling, with gaming industries, so I will be happy to connect and explore possibilities. Thank you.